Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color an airplane captain with accessories. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw the captain. I'll draw the shape of his head with his 2 ears. Then I'll draw his eyes. Nose, and his mouth. I draw his hair. And let's draw his captain's hat on the top of his head. I love this! Now let's draw his body. I draw his arms. And he has a wristwatch. He wears a captain's uniform. Let's draw his legs. Okay, now let's draw an airplane next to him. I draw the front, then the wings, and the back. Then I draw the windows. Cool! Let's draw luggage. I love it! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I colored the captain. I used this cream tone for his skin. Then I colored his mouth light red. I painted his hair brown. For his hat, I used black, blue, and yellow. His shirt is going to stay white. I color his tie with blue, and this on top of his shoulders too. Then I use yellow. I color his watch with brown and gray. Then I use blue for his pants. Black. For the plane, I used orange. And for the windows, light blue. And finally, I colored the luggage with brown. Gray, and light purple. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.